Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my plan with me, and this month I am doing all Harry Potter kits. So I thought it would be fitting to start off with my wizard kit, which is still available in the shop. It is for all 4 houses. I also have kits for each of the house specific, which I will do mine later on in the month, which is I'm a Ravenclaw. So here's the kit. It is the old format, but it's still really good. And I printed everything out except for the glitter headers and the top, the checklist. Oh my gosh. So I have the deco here, which is really cute. Full boxes, a bottom washi and washi, headers and littles, your kind of like half box and stuff like that, and then the date covers. So I'm going to get into it. I have a brand new inserts. They're still the same ones by Jasenia Printables, but they are new. I literally cut them today, and so they're still getting put into the, getting their bend in there of where they're supposed to be. So yeah, so I used the week on 3 pages, and it has this nice checklist page. So let's get into this, because I really don't have a lot going on. I'm basically working all week. I have work, my regular job, I have the ACT on Saturday, and then I have to get, what do you call it? New releases out for you guys. This last week I did not have new releases because I did on Saturday instead. I had the release of, sorry, I have trouble talking and concentrating sometimes. You'd think as a teacher I could do both. But anyways, on Saturday I released my advent calendar, which there are still some available, so you can go and check it out. It won't be up for much longer because I need to know how many so I can start production on everything. And I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited that so many of you guys are excited about it, because I wasn't really sure how many people would actually be interested. So it's really nice to see that you guys are, interested in the same things I am, and I'm excited to have a butterfly planner on. Anyways, I did a video on Instagram talking about like what's in it and stuff, if you want to go check that out. Or you can, if you're part of the Facebook group, it's in the Facebook group also. So I'm just putting down the bottom washi. I have to cut the 4 one to fit, and it doesn't have to be like perfect, but I just get it close. It ends up being slightly bigger, but I find it easier to just cut it in half and then have a little bit of overlap on like the side than anything else. So yeah, now I'm going to open or do my date covers and do those real fast. So now that work has started, sorry, there's like noise going on in my house. Now that work has started, have moved back to, if you've been a long time follower of my shop, you'll know, like, usually during the school year, I only do 2 new releases a month. So I'm doing it where it is the first and third Friday of every month. And the ones that have 5 weeks in them will probably just skip. Like, maybe I'll have like I'm thinking maybe like a mini new release, like not necessarily a kit, but maybe like a few little extras or something like that will go on those days. Or maybe I'll do like a cool sale or something. I don't know. Comment, let me know in the comments. It needs to be something like, the whole reason I'm doing it with 2 weeks apart is because I'm working, and so I have less time, and to like design. I'm still gonna try to still have like the same number of kits, so I always had like 1 kit per week, but I'm going to try to still put out like 4 kits a month. I will try. This week is going to be a little difficult because I'm already like behind when it comes to like the kit. This week will be the November monthly view and the matching weekly kit, and my neighbor is washing his car. Are you freaking kidding me? Anyways, so what was I saying? Oh, and the matching weekly kit, which I think the matching weekly kit would be really good for, what do you call it, for Thanksgiving week, for those that are in America. I really think it would be a good one for that. I think I want to put headers down first. I'm actually going to use them. I'm going to use these today ones. So yeah, just so you know, that's what's going on. I've been meaning to make like a shop calendar to post on Instagram and in the Facebook group. Again, it's just added to one more thing I need to do, but it will all get done, and I'm hoping like you won't notice too much of a difference, and it'll give me time to like get your orders out and still work. And just bear with me the next couple weeks if like posts are late or videos are late, because work started last week, and I am just kind of running around like a chicken with its head cut off, trying to figure out and get back into my groove. And I'm also I've only had 3 days of work, and I'm already just exhausted, like crazy exhausted. Sorry, I don't even know if that's been in frame. Like crazy exhausted. It's just insane. So I don't know if like something's going on. Hopefully not. Or I'm just exhausted because I'm on my feet all day. Okay. So it's getting really noisy, so I am going to shut up now and just plan, and I will see you at the end. Okay, so here it is. These are denoting my work schedule. I will put little work labels like that for that. I just forgot them. And yeah, so this is it. I think it looks really cute, and I am really excited to use this. Let me know in the comments below if you're doing a Harry Potter month like me. I know there's a lot of people in the planner community doing it, and I think it's really fun to see everybody. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!